Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 15 Plus and also a gas case, and today I'll go over this case, do a test fit of it just so we can see how it looks like and feels and obviously fits over the device. So anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So it does pull out, what she said. Now taking it out, it's a little bit of a cumbersome process. There we go. So here's the case. Quickly getting a look at it, and there is no cutouts for the buttons. Some cases tend to do a cutout on the sides of it, so it's a little bit easier to press. In the case of this case, no pun intended, it's just fully around. Now the rubber around it isn't necessarily that thick, so pressing it shouldn't be that difficult in any case. So let's just slap it on here. So it fits over the camera pretty well. I do have a lens protection installed all over it, and it obviously doesn't have any problem with it. It does also have a little bit of a lip around it, so if you don't have any kind of lens protection, it will protect it by basically preventing it from hitting it. But there is a little bit of a miscap right here which I would consider. So that being said, this logo does protrude quite a bit, I think even more than the camera, and it presents a little bit of a problem in my opinion. So when you place it, it just wobbles the heck out all around. Pretty annoying. So that being said, the case might be fitting pretty well over the phone itself, with everything being in the correct places, as you can obviously see. But the logo being protruding would basically force you to always place your device screen down, which I guess if you're spending money on a case like this, you probably want to do, but I tend to like to be able to see when I'm getting a notification, because my device is always muted, so I don't hear the vibration nor see any or hear anything. So I just see when the device lights up. So I'll be keeping it like this, but that would be pretty annoying to me. So in any case, if you tend to keep your device with the screen up, this case might not be for you because of this logo protruding so much. And in addition, it's made out of plastic, so it will get scuffed up, scratched up, and over the time it will most likely lose its kind of shine and also the goldish color that it has painted over it. So something to keep in mind when buying this case. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.